Hey guys, warning, there will be unusual movement in this video, and I do know that sometimes motion like this upsets people. I apologize if this video is not for you. However, there were a lot of people that liked my POV beard trim video, and I wanted to take that over to my morning routine to show you guys from my point of view what I do. I'm filming with this camera right here, and we're gonna go through this routine. If you are not gonna watch today, I totally understand. I'll have many more videos in the future. If you are and you're excited and you appreciate this effort for the content, hit a quick thumbs up, aka the like button. And if you're not subscribed, this is beard stuff, consider it. I'm just gonna take you guys from start to finish. I just got out of the shower. I threw on a shirt and some shorts because nobody wants to see all this and all that taco meat. So we're just gonna keep it covered. But I'm gonna take you guys right through. First thing I do is I comb my beard. Now, this is before oil. My beard is damp. I did dry it off. And I do know that not everybody can do this, but I did condition in the shower today after washing. So it has made my beard feel nice and smooth. If I ever run into tangles or snags, I just stop, release, and then come back through again. Boom. Okay. Check for any little stray hairs in there. All right. Boom. Today I am going with the Winter Solstice oil from Tabletop Beard. Nothing in the video sponsored or anything like that. Companies don't even know they're in it. I'm using the Chicago Comb number 8, which is the carbon fiber. And this is probably going to have even more motion than the POV beard trim. So if it's upsetting, I apologize. I'm just trying to step outside of the box, do something different, give you guys a different view. Do have to look down for this. And I do have 3-minute recording limits. So if you see it like cut off randomly, I'll be back, I promise. I'm just gonna have to edit it together. So I'm using about 2 full dropper. Oh, that's so crazy, I don't have to do the mirror. 2 full dropper tops of oil here. I get it in my palm first, warm it up, and then I work into the tips of my fingers. And I go from underneath, right on that chin, right on that jawline. Hopefully this camera stays on the mirror for you guys. If not, hey, we'll make the most out of using our imagination. So I go underneath, and then I go over the top, really focusing on my face first, and then down throughout the beard. Then I just kind of work the fingers through. All right, make sure I'm getting the sides. Don't forget about your mustache. Work down through the tips of the beard, those old soldiers as we call them. Don't forget the underbeard. And you're just doing a little massage into the skin, okay? I'll take any excess, put it on my tattoos, put it on my elbow. And then we're just gonna comb through again, making sure we're not going too fast. And we're getting the teeth down to the skin lightly, and then not pushing past the jawline. Don't forget the mustache. Okay, edit number 1. Don't forget the mustache, and then I do come underneath the beard, and I do comb away, getting those undertangles out. This also is a really good way to kind of build your volume for the day, right? Boom. And my beard is doing really well today, guys, really well. Our climate's just like perfect right now. It's not too crazy hot. It's not insanely humid. And I know some of you are gonna be like, hey man, you're good to go right there. Hey, I'm not gonna disagree with you. I think it looks pretty dang good, but I am gonna put a little heat on it today. So I'll grab that and be right back to you guys. So after the oil, I did wait about 3 to 5 minutes for it to absorb in. I did get my heat. We're gonna be using my kosher hair dryer. It's got a nice little crack and scrape in there. Still kicking, still working. This was just an Amazon find that I love. It's kind of a Dyson knockoff, but I go orange for heat, which is like the medium. It's not cold, it's like the low medium. And then the blue, which is the lowest speed. And I will say, the shirt does make it much more difficult to comb underneath. I apologize if that sound is too crazy. So now I'm going with blue, which is the cold shot. Okay, next thing I'm gonna do is warm up my heated brush. I'm just gonna be using this on my mustache and maybe my sides, just depends on the day. I'm gonna go a little bit hotter today. I've been experimenting with different temperatures and just wanna show people that you can go up to 365 degrees as long as you're not holding it on too long without any worries. So I'm gonna go 360 today. I'll let this warm up and I'll get back to you guys. And we are back. Now I do have to say I am a little bit more sweaty than normal today. I normally have the fan going and the door open, but for sound purposes, I do not have those. So if you hear some extra popping today from the heated brush, aka beard straightener, it's literally sweat and water. My mustache is quite damp right now. So just know that it's not a worry. It's not anything that's gonna harm it. If you have that popping, just try to dry your mustache a little bit more and you'll be all right. I'm using the Aberlite Go 2. This is by far my favorite heated brush I've ever used. It's absolutely amazing and it gets me about 4 to 5 uses before I have to recharge it, but I just have a routine where I clean it every single time I charge it. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm just gonna go with that lazy walrus and just kind of bring the mustache nice and slowly over to the side. I do not use balm. I do not use wax. This just allows it to stay nice and neat out of my mouth. I'm going to part in the middle. See there, a little poppage. The glasses are a different challenge that I've never really experienced before with the heated brush. Interesting. So I'm just kind of getting that iconic mustache shape and style, or just goes off to the side. Now I will extend it on and kind of just do a little easy straightening here, kind of like a little Velcro. And the other areas where I will address when needed would be under this bottom lip here. Today's not too bad. I have a really unique growth pattern where this hair is entirely different than this hair. So where they meet, it can kind of cause some problems, as many of you understand, but not that big of an issue. Today, I'm gonna let my sides go a little bit crazier, so I'm not gonna really bring those in. I'm at like a 50% on doing the sides with heat or not. Today, I'm coaching, so I'm just gonna let them go. That's my routine, you guys. Let me know what you think down in the comments, questions, comments, any thoughts at all, any other uses of these on a beard channel. Let me know, guys. Dancy Bearded. Please stay bearded and stay positive.